Hi to everyone, my name is Pamela from Setu School of Yoga, and today we are going to speak about how to sleep well, how to improve our sleep. So we all know how important it is to have a good sleep. Rather, if you have a good sleep or bad sleep, you will know that it will reflect in your day-to-day life, in your activities, in your focus, in your health. So it's very important to have a good rest. When we have a good sleep, all our cells get repair itself, releasing a lot of toxins. At the same time, our mind and our nervous system get relaxed and regenerated. So for that, yes, with yoga, we can have a good sleep, we can improve our sleep. So for that, we will do a very nice routine that we have prepared for today. It will help you to cool down your system, to relax, and have a very nice sleep. So now get ready, all of us on our mat. If you don't have a yoga mat, it's okay, you can do also on your bed. It's perfectly fine. So let's start rotating our shoulder first. For that, breathe in, up, breathe out, down. Make a big circle with your shoulders. There is no hurry at all. You can close your eyes. Let's change direction, opposite sides. And relax. Breathe in, pull your shoulders up. Exhale, relax. Once again, breathe in, shoulders up. And relax. One more time, breathe in. Now let's rotate our neck. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out, chin to the chest. And from your right side, start to rotate your neck. You can close your eyes. Become aware of your breath. When you go up, you breathe in. When you go down, you breathe out. And change direction when you reach down. Slowly and with awareness. And relax and come up. So let's continue with Asana butterfly pose. Let's place our feet together. You can put your hands on your feet, spine erect, smile on your face, and start this movement of the butterfly, knees up and down. Little slow. And relax. Now breathe in, look up. Exhale, bend forward in butterfly pose, Konasana. First, pull your chest forward and exhale, go down and relax there. Close your eyes. Every exhalation, relax your hip a little bit more. Breathe in, come up. And now we will add some movements. We'll take our toes, extend your legs, and we will roll back slowly, back and front, like a baby. Back and front. For sure, we will used to do this as a kid. One more time, and come back to the same place. Once you are here, now we are going to go for Marjari Asana. So you can fold your legs, place your hands below your shoulders, shoulders apart. The same with your knees, knees hip apart. Breathe in, navel down, look up, arch your spine. Exhale, make your spine round, Tuck your tailbone, chin to the chest, navel in. Breathe in, look up, navel down. Exhale, round your back. Once again, breathe in, out, and continue a few more at your own rhythm. And relax. Now we will rest in child pose. Your buttocks go to your heels. You can extend your arms. If you cannot reach with your forehead the floor, that's not a problem. You can make a fist, put one hand on the top of each other and relax there. Relax. Lie down on your stomach. So now you are on your stomach. We will kick the buttocks. For that, first you put one hand on the top of the other and your chin on your hands. And start to kick your buttocks. Alternate your feet. Now both feet together. And relax. We'll rest in Makarasana. For that, one knee to the side, check both hips are touching the floor, and look towards the same side you have your knee. And relax there. We'll chant the Brahmari sound, the B sound. For that, close your eyes, take a deep breath in. From our right side, we will turn and lie down on your back. Bend your right knee towards your chest, hug your leg, breathe in, breathe out, forehead towards your knee. Be sure your left leg is on the floor. Close your eyes and breathe in and breathe out. Relax your head, relax your leg and change. Left leg, hug your leg towards your chest. Breathe in, breathe out, forehead towards your knee. Relax your head, relax your leg. Now both the legs, bend your knees, hug your legs. Pawanmuktasana. Breathe in, breathe out, head towards your knees. Forehead, nose, everything is fine. Be sure your lower back is in touch with the floor. Relax your head, relax your legs, and place your feet next to your buttocks, heels next to your buttocks. So from here, let's go to Setu Bandhasana, bridge pose. Breathe in, hips up. Your hands are facing down. You can interlock your fingers if you wish. Every time you breathe in, pull your hip little up and relax your shoulders and neck. Relax, come slowly, come down. Since you are there, now both the knees go apart and place the sole of your feet together, hands facing up, and relax in Supta Baddha Konasana. Bring your knees up one more time. Now your hands parallel to your shoulders. And we will breathe in, and your knees are going towards the left and your eyes towards the right hand. Breathe in, come up again, exhale, knees towards the right, and look your left hand. And continue, breathe in, knees to the other side. Once again. Once again. And come back to the center. And to finish, we will do one more twist, Dakshinamurthy pose. Take your left foot on your right knee. Breathe in, breathe out, twist to the left and look to the right. Now twist to the other side and look to the left. Relaxed, and we change. Now right foot on the left knee. Breathe in, breathe out. Twist toward the left and look the right hand. Opposite. And come back to the center. Straight your legs. Your hands are facing up and relax in Shavasana for a few minutes. You can close your eyes. Use deep breath in and breathe out and become aware of your whole body. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Become aware of your body and surroundings. Slowly you can turn to your right side and lie down on your right side of your body for a few more seconds. Slowly and gradually, with the strength of your arms, come up from your right side and sit down. I hope you're feeling relaxed enough to want to go to bed, and you can practice this routine when you finish with all your day activities. Be sure you are doing before dinner, and have a good sleep. So you can like this video, or you can share your comments below how you are feeling after the session, and please you can subscribe to this channel to more such content in the future. Jai Gurudev.